In this series, we're cooking with Linda. We're trying recipes she learned on her travels. Linda is resourceful, so we know that the ingredients will be cheap and the recipes easy to make. Today, what are you making?
We are going to make garlic mousse.
Exciting! I love garlic. Where did you get this recipe?
I got it from my sister-in-law.
Where is your sister-in-law from?
She is from, well, half Canadian, half Egyptian.
Did you ever go to Egypt?
No, I've never been to Egypt.
What are the ingredients?
Well, that's oil. It's a cup of oil. You can use canola oil, sunflower oil, but this one is soybeans oil. Then 1 or 2 egg whites, and then you can use 3 or 4 garlic cloves, and then this is 2 spoons of lime juice, but you could use lemon juice too, and a little bit of salt.
How do you make it?
I am gonna put the egg whites, the garlic, and the salt in my blender, and then while it's blending, I'm gonna pour the oil and the lime juice while stirring. So this is it. That's the result.
Can you eat it right away?
Yeah, you can eat it right away, but an hour in the fridge and it tastes much better.
What can you eat it with?
I personally like it with meat, but you can eat it with rice too. It's quite nice.
How often do you make it?
Well, I make it every time my husband makes a barbecue. It's awesome with barbecue.
How long does it last in the fridge?
I had it for a month and it was still good, so I don't know how long it lasts, but it can last a month. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. So, see you next week. Bye.
Thank you, Linda, for sharing that wonderful recipe. And I'm sure if you do ever go to Egypt, you'll share many more delicious recipes with us.